Hello, Sally here again. I'm reading from Dr. Eric Pearl, The Reconnection, and in this part of the book, he's quoting another author called Lee Carroll, author of the Cryon books and co-author of The Indigo Children. He's reading a part that goes, in the parable, the main character, Woe, is not specifically a man or a woman. For ease of communication, the pronoun used is he, yet woe, as Lee puts it, is really a woe man. In the parable, we join woe as he is about to meet the packing angel, who is there to review what woe has selected to take with him on his journey into the new energy. In woe's first bag, the packing angel finds clothing, lots of clothing. Woe seems to have essentially grabbed anything and everything he could in preparation for whatever might come. In other words, he hasn't recognized that he already possesses within himself the completion that he is seeking from things outside himself. He has amassed a mishmash of every conceivable item. These items consist of every imaginable healing tool, ritual and theory that he can get his hands on. Each item he packed reinforces in him that he is not by himself enough. With each item he packed, woe took more of the power he once owned and gave it away, vesting it conceptually and unconsciously in these articles. Baggage is such a perfect analogy as it comes in so many forms. Let's take a peek into the next suitcase in the parable. This is the suitcase of books, spiritual books. These books represent spiritual learning and knowledge, although they clearly don't impart knowingness. These are woe's reference books, his stuff, our stuff. The books we've purchased and read, well, at least we've read the good parts. The books we haven't looked at yet, but will someday. The notes we've taken, yet left in one of those bags of stuff in the closet after other seminars. The packing angel explains to Woe that he won't be needing these books that he packed. Woe, of course, doesn't understand. And at the angel's request, Woe displays what he regards to be the most spiritual of his books. The angel tells him that it's obsolete. Woe can't understand why. Would you bring a scientific notebook with you that was 150 years old? The angel asks. Or a textbook that was more than 2,000 years old that had to do with science? Of course not, exclaims poor Woe, because we keep making new discoveries about how things work. Exactly, says the angel. Spiritually, Earth is changing grandly and greatly. What you could not do yesterday, you can do today. What was the spiritual paradigm for yesterday is not the spiritual paradigm for tomorrow. What you were told as a shaman about spiritual energy that worked yesterday is not going to work tomorrow, because the energy is shifting and being refined. You are standing in the shift, and you must go with the flow of new empowerment. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.